Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So I want to teach you how to remove an image background in Photoshop in less than 1 minute. So first things first, make sure you open the image with Photoshop, and once you are here on Photoshop, you click Ctrl J and duplicate it. Now you go to select and hit subject, and it's going to automatically select the subject for you. Now, next up, if it selected any parts that you don't want to cut out, just deselect it or you remove it rather. Okay, like this place now is going to cut into our arms, right? We don't want that. So you come here and then you choose this quick selection tool. Then you tap and just drag over it. And you see that's gone, right? Awesome. So next up, you just come here and hit add layer mask. So once you do that and you toggle this background off, you see that your image has been saved as the image background has been removed rather. Okay, now there's one more thing. You can see that places like this now, in places like this, let me just zoom in a little bit more. You can see that the background is still showing here, right? So what you want to do is to choose the pen tool. Choose the pen tool and you just select it. And then you right click, you make selection and then you hit OK. Now make sure your background, your four background color is white, and then once you've done that, you just hit backspace and see it has gone off. And then to deselect it, all you have to do is just click Ctrl D. And once you are done, you zoom back your image, zoom it back in. You see, this is perfect, right? Alright, now what you want to do is to save this image as a PNG. So you come to File here, Export, save for Web Legacy, and by default, it's going to be on JPEG here. So all you have to do is just come here and choose PNG. Once you've chosen PNG, come here, right click and hit Fit in View. The image is perfect, and then you just hit save, and voila, it is saved as a PNG without background.